Yes, class 7th students, again welcome back to the building block section for chapter 4, the voice of a conscience. And under the building block section, today we are going to study about the adjectives and the kinds of adjectives. What is the meaning of adjectives? First of all, we should try to find out what is the meaning of adjectives. Adjectives are those words which give us information about nouns और they qualify nouns. जो हमें nouns की qualities बताते हैं, they are known as the adjectives. और जो noun को further describe करते हैं, they are known as the adjectives. I live in a big house. Big is given in the red color. House कैसा है? House की क्या quality? It is big. तो house is the noun and big is the adjective. We took a ride on an old bus. Bus noun है, पर bus कैसी है? Bus is old. Old is adjective. Bus is the noun. Let's move further. Page number 57. Zuman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary had been close friends from their childhood. Friends, पर कैसे friends? Close friends. So friends are the nouns, but close is adjective. Their friendship was founded on a common outlook and a deep trust in each other. Now outlook and trust are the abstract nouns, but outlook कैसा था? Common. So common is adjective. Deep. Trust कैसा था? विश्वास कैसा था? Deep, गहरा. तो ये deep and common are the adjectives. So again we know that adjectives are describing words that modify nouns. That means they add more information to the nouns. That means that the adjectives are the words which give us the quality of the nouns. Now let's read about the different types of adjectives. What are the different types of adjectives? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, demonstrative adjectives, and then interrogative adjectives. What are the adjectives of quality? Adjectives that show us the quality or the kind of nouns are known as adjective of quality. जो हमें noun की qualities बताते हैं, they are known as adjective of quality. Jumman had an old lonely aunt with no one in her family. किसकी quality बता रहे हैं हमें? noun की. aunt कैसी थी? old, बूढ़ी, lonely, अकेली. Lawyer, he questioned Zumman like a seasoned lawyer. Lawyer की क्या quality? Seasoned. अलगू owned a pair of healthy bullocks. Ox कैसे थे? Healthy. Samju was a petty trader. कैसा trader था? छोटा, petty. We had a wonderful time last night. कैसा time spend किया हमने? Wonderful. She is wearing a pretty red dress. Dress कैसी है? Pretty and red. तो ये सब हमें क्या बता रही है? नाउन की क्वालिटीज बता रहे हैं. तो ये क्या कहलाएंगे? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. वाई आर यू कैरिंग सच ए लार्ज बैग? बैग कैसा है? लार्ज. तो जो वर्ड्स हमें नाउन की क्वालिटीज बताते हैं, विशेषता बताते हैं, वो क्या कहलाएंगे? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. नाउ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. Adjective that show us the quantity of nouns. Quantity means noun कितना है, उनकी क्या बोल सकते हैं, उनका परिमाण, उनका माप बताते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Adjective of quantity. Adjective that show the quantity of nouns are known as the adjective of quantity. He has enough money to buy his dream car. Money कैसी है? Enough, संभव, sufficient, okay, पर्याप्त. There are hundreds of students sitting for the examination. कितने students हैं? Hundreds, जिनको कि हम count नहीं कर सकते. Okay, we don't have much time. हमारे पास ज़्यादा समय नहीं है. समय तो noun है, पर कितना समय? ज़्यादा, कम, बहुत ज़्यादा. तो ये क्या कहलाता है? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. जो वर्ड्स हमें नाउन की क्वांटिटी बताता है, वो कहलाता है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. Demonstrative adjective. Adjective that point out or specify certain nouns. जब हम किसी noun की तरफ इशारा करते हैं, तो जो words हम इशारा करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, they are known as demonstrative adjective. ओके, ये वो जब हम इशारा करते हैं नाउन की तरफ, तो जो वर्ड्स हम यूज करते हैं, तो इंग्लिश में हम कौन से वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं? दिस, दैट, दोज एंड दीज. Okay, these four words are known as the demonstrative adjective. And this and these are used to point out the objects which are nearby, and that and those are used for the objects which are the far ones. They are not to be confused with demonstrative pronouns that replace the nouns. Okay, this pizza is very hot. Who looks after that farm? So this pizza सामने है. This pizza. Okay, who looks after that farm? Farm means दूर वाला, that. These flowers smell nice. ये flowers. Okay, so when the things are nearby, we use this and these. When the things are far away, we use these and those demonstrative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. The adjectives which are used for making questions. they are known as interrogative adjectives. Adjectives that help ask questions and also modify nouns are known as interrogative adjectives. The interrogative adjectives generally are what, were, whose, why, which, and who. All the WH words are considered under interrogative adjectives. They are not to be okay. This much. Whose sweater is that? What ingredient is that you are using? Why which dogs jump higher? तो जब हम एडजेक्ट और नाउन से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं तो जो WH वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. नेक्स्ट इज द पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. What are the possessive adjective? Possessive adjective means the adjectives which show the state of possession. Okay, adjective that expresses the state of possession or the ownership. Those are known as possessive adjective. This is my book. That pencil is mine. Her, his, it, are, their, and your. Okay. So where is my ticket? The dog is sitting on its tail. Please concentrate on your mistakes. Where a person is, when a person is placed in a responsible position, his conscience is awakened. The true friends realize their mistakes. Now last one is the indefinite adjectives. Adjectives जो हमें फिक्स नहीं बताते. Adjective of number is still missing here. When the word gives us the number of nouns. जब हमें nouns के नंबर के बारे में बताया जाता है तो वो क्या कहलाता है? Adjective of number. जैसे I have 10 pens, I have 16 bicycles, I have 2 sweaters. तो ये 16, 2, 10 these are the adjective of numbers. Now indefinite adjectives, जब हमें adjectives की quantity के बारे में आंसर तो मिलता है पर जो जवाब है उसका कुछ फिक्स्ड परिमाण नहीं होता तो वो क्या कहलाता है? Indefinite adjectives. There are only a few deer left in the forest. Okay. Then there are some apples in the basket. So some, several, many, much, little, a few. These are the indefinite adjectives. That means quantity decided nahi hoti. Now after adjectives, types of adjectives, we are moving towards the degrees of adjectives. What are the degrees of adjectives? Adjectives, degrees of comparison. तो डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन क्या होती है? डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन मीन्स व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग द nouns, the adjectives which we use to show their quality, they are known as the adjectives and their degrees of comparison. Adjectives में 3 degrees of comparison होती है. We are basically having 3 degrees of comparison for adjectives. They are positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Now, when we are reading these sentences, in his greed to make more, he made the bullock slog harder and harder. I am fit. I go for a walk every morning. She is stronger than me. They are the healthiest. Now, harder and harder, fit, stronger, the healthiest. These are the different degrees of adjectives. Moving towards the next page, page number 59. We use different forms of adjectives to compare the qualities of nouns. Most adjectives have the three different forms or to show the degrees of comparison: the positive, the comparative, and the superlative. When we speak about only one thing or one person, we use positive degree. जब हम एक ही person की quality बताते हैं तो हम कौन सी degree use करते हैं? Positive degree. जितने भी sentences होते हैं जो nouns को qualify कर रहे हैं, single nouns को, they are all in the positive degree. I live in a big house. She is a pretty girl. Then this is an old bus. There are some apples in the basket. तो जब हम एक ही नाउन को क्वालिफाई करते हैं, जब एक ही नाउन की क्वालिटी बताते हैं तो वो कौन सी डिग्री होती है? डिग्री पॉजिटिव डिग्री. Next is the comparative degree. Comparative degree, as the name suggests, when we are comparing, तो comparing के लिए minimum हमें कितनी चीज़ें चाहिए होती है? 2 things, 2 persons, 2 places. When we compare 2 persons or 2 things with each other, we use comparative degree. Comparative degree की एक पहचान होती है कि वहाँ पर adjective में हमेशा er plus than add किया जाता है. Just as she is older than her brother. Older, er plus than. Our car is faster than yours. Faster, er plus than. So when we make comparative form of adjectives में क्या जोड़ते हैं हम? er. और जहाँ पर हम adjective में er नहीं जोड़ते वहाँ पर हम क्या लगा देते हैं? more. अब लास्ट आता है सुपरलेटिव. सुपरलेटिव में हम कंपैरिजन तो करते हैं पर कितने जनों का या कितने थिंग्स का? मोर देन 2. When we compare more than two persons or things with each other, they are called the superlative degree. अब इसमें क्या होता है, हम एक ही पर्सन को बेस्ट बताते हैं, कंपैरिजन तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत सारे लोगों की है, पर हम किसको बताते हैं, एक ही चीज़ को बेस्ट बताते हैं. ही हैज़ द बिगेस्ट पेंसिल इन द ग्रुप. बिगेस्ट और सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म की पहचान है कि यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव में ई एस टी ऐड होता है और एडजेक्टिव से पहले हम द लगाते हैं. शी इज़ द टॉलेस्ट गर्ल इन द क्लास. ओके, so when we make the superlative form of most adjectives by adding est to the adjective, strong, strongest. Now there are some adjectives that form the comparative degree and superlative degree in some other ways also. When the adjective has one syllable and ends in vowel consonant, we double the final consonant and add er or est. ठीक है, जब कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जब जिनका हम कंपैरेटिव बनाते हैं, तो उसमें हम क्या ऐड कर देते हैं, उसका जो लास्ट वाला लेटर होता है वो कई बार डबल हो जाता है. ठीक है, जैसे हॉट, तो ये क्या है, वन सिलेबल, इसको हम एक ही साथ बोलते हैं हॉट. तो हॉट का जो एंड वर्ड है कौन सा, हॉट का एंड वर्ड है टी, तो टी डबल हो जाएगा, हॉटर देन हॉटेस्ट. अब इसी तरीके से अगर हम लेते हैं हॉप, sorry, hop will not come here. Happy, happiest, hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, so next one is when an adjective ends in y, तो y की जगह हम क्या लगा देंगे, उसमें आई ई आर लगेगा और आई ई एस टी लगेगा. ठीक है, कई बार एडजेक्टिव्स में हम आई ई आर और ई आर और ई एस टी नहीं लगा पाते, तो उसको हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, वहाँ पर हम मोर और मोस्ट का यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, now let's move on to some degrees of comparison which are mentioned below. Strong, stronger, strongest, safe, safer, safest, fit, fitter, fittest, clean, cleaner, cleanest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Good, better, best, bad, worst, worst, little, less, least, many, more, most. Now fill in the blanks with the degrees of comparison you have to do by yourself. Or first one we will do. But before that we will try, let's try 7 also. Underline the adjective and identify what type it is. This you have to do by yourself. Okay, now next one is 8. Disha is dash of us all. Disha is compared to so many, so Disha is the most efficient of us all. Your dog is dash than us, than is given, so comparative noiser. Now there are dash people in England than there were in Scotland. There were two only are comparative, more people in England. I will carry the dash bag for you. I will carry the heaviest bag for you. Geography is again than is given, more interesting than history. Now jumbled words, you have to arrange them into sentences. Okay, this one you can do of your own. Heading towards the practice book. My turn to work. My turn 3 homework, and so is for my turn 4 also. Okay, homework. My turn 6 homework. item 7 also homework. Okay, that's all in this video. Thanks for listening.